Have you ever wondered how much luxury can fit inside a beautifully designed tiny home? Stay with us until the very end, because this stunning modern tiny house is packed with smart design ideas, elegant finishes, and space-saving features that feel anything but small. You might even discover inspiration for your own dream home. If you love beautiful home tours, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing designs. Now, let's begin outside. The first impression is clean, sophisticated, and incredibly inviting. This contemporary tiny house embraces a minimalist architectural style with a striking flat roof, elegant cream-colored exterior walls, and textured stacked stone accent walls that instantly add warmth and character. Large black framed windows wrap the front facade, creating a bold contrast while allowing abundant natural light to flood the interior. Above it all is a sleek flat roof with generous overhangs that emphasize the home's modern design. The dark soffits with recessed lighting create clean architectural lines while offering shade and protection from the elements, making the exterior look both stylish and functional. Leading toward the entrance is a charming stone walkway that guides visitors through the landscaped garden. Wide concrete steps rise gently to the spacious front porch, where modern planters filled with colorful flowers. Stepping through the glass front door, you're immediately welcomed by a bright and airy interior. The soaring ceiling, warm, neutral color palettes create an open atmosphere filled with natural light, making the home feel surprisingly spacious. The living room is thoughtfully designed for both comfort and style. A cozy seating arrangement features plush, upholstered armchairs surrounding a beautiful solid wood coffee table that serves as the centerpiece of the room. Across from the seating area, a sleek wall-mounted television creates an ideal entertainment space without occupying valuable floor space. Beneath it, a handcrafted wooden media console provides practical storage while adding warmth through its rich natural wood grain. Floating wooden shelves display framed artwork, decorative ceramics, books, and small potted plants that bring personality to the room. Carefully selected wall art and soft, neutral tones complement the overall design, while lush indoor plants add freshness and create a calming atmosphere throughout the space. The kitchen proves that compact spaces can still be highly functional and elegant. Warm oak cabinetry provides generous storage while maintaining clean, minimalist lines. Bright quartz countertops offer durable workspace for cooking and meal preparation. A black framed window fills the kitchen with daylight above the sink, while a compact refrigerator is neatly positioned in the corner to maximize efficiency. Open shelving displays attractive dishes, glass jars, and decorative greenery, adding charm without creating visual clutter. A simple wooden dining table paired with comfortable chairs creates an intimate space for family meals, morning coffee, or casual conversations, while maintaining an open flow throughout the home. Despite its compact footprint, the bathroom feels bright and luxurious. A floating vanity with warm wood finishes supports a sleek white countertop and modern black faucet. A round illuminated mirror enhances both style and functionality. Large format wall tiles, a frameless glass shower enclosure, recessed storage niches, and carefully selected accessories. One of the smartest features is the integrated laundry area. A stacked washer and dryer fit neatly into custom cabinetry, making excellent use of the limited space. Overhead cabinets and built-in shelving provide storage for laundry supplies, towels, and household essentials, while keeping everything organized and hidden from view. The bedroom continues the home's warm contemporary style with a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere. A comfortable queen-size bed dressed in layered neutral bedding, soft pillows, and a textured throw blanket creates an inviting place to unwind. Natural wood bedside tables hold elegant lamps and decorative accessories, while soft curtains filter daylight through the large window. Indoor plants bring freshness into the room, and the carefully chosen color palette promotes comfort and restful sleep. Floating wooden shelves add both storage and visual interest to the bedroom. Styled with books, framed artwork, candles, small ceramic pieces, and greenery, they provide decorative display space without taking up valuable floor area. If this luxury modern tiny house inspired you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more incredible tiny home tours, smart design ideas, and beautiful architectural inspiration.